National Rail operates the whole of Great Britain. Passengers travels from cities to cities each day. Some are for pleasure, exploration, visiting landmarks, or going to work. The accessibility of this mode of transport is impeccable. It is the backbone of the entire country. It makes life easy for everybody, and daily travel is more smooth and convenient. It caters millions of passengers each year, and it comprises of thousands of workers for it to operate. Like any other companies, most of the workers are members of a certain union to protect their rights and benefits. And today, there is industrial action. Railway strike. No trains. Advised not to travel, only if necessary. Plan your journey.